Mesh editing using index number. In this video, we will look at mesh editing using index numbers. If you select the vertices at the ends of these two diagonals in the default cube and lift them up, you will get something like this. Let's implement it through a geometry node. Since we will be moving the vertices, we add a set position node. The important thing is to choose the correct two diagonal vertices. There are several selection methods, but the easiest and most obvious is to use the index number. However, it is difficult to intuitively know the index number of these two vertices. Of course, you can use these coordinate values, but it is a bit cumbersome. In this case, it is convenient to use this show only selected. The index numbers of the currently selected vertices are 0 and 6. By using the compare node and the Boolean math node, you can easily select and edit the mesh. Adding a subdivide mesh node and a subdivision surface node will give you more inspiration. This video ends here. Thank you.